So I retaped all that. So I'm sticking these on, waiting for the super glue to take hold. Does not want to do that. So that, when it's done, well, now it's repaired. It can go back up there. What you do when you're poor and frugal and want to fix your, get all messed up in here. Fix your stuff. Get it working. I needed a little more on here. There we go. Now, try this again. I'm gonna use a clothespin to hold it. I've got those clamped on. I think I need to wait a while for them to dry and set, so I'm just gonna leave it here, let it dry, and clean up my mess, and we'll come back out and try it out in a bit. So time to clean up after myself. Take all the tape. Actually, I'll leave one in here. Friends, so I'm back in the van and I left this to dry. I left this drying with these clothespins holding it, and they are dry and they want to come off. Well, kind of seems like it's on there. It's kind of on there. There's a little piece here hanging off. Hopefully that doesn't pull off. This one. That one's on there securely. So I think what I'll do is make sure I grab some more super glue. I'm just going to put this away for right now. But I got it fixed and improved, I hope. I'm going to put it back in its little home on the side here. All right. And now it's time. What I like to do is come out here and do a little inventory to see what I want in here and need in here. Let's see, so on one side I'm gonna put bathroom, etc. And look at what I want. Let's see. Right now I'm looking at all of this to see what I need to fill in there. So far just toothpaste. I have pain cream. I have itch cream. My medications. Hair stuff. I have a COVID test. I have lotions and castor oil. I have rubbing alcohol and peroxide, so all my first aid stuff, bug kit. So I need toothpaste. Next, it's to do inventory and what I want to bring into here. So I already have my crackers hanging out in here, and I have nothing else in there. So I brought a few things out. Okay, so I decided it looks like we're not going to have any more super hot days. So I think I can go ahead and fill the van up with the dry food. That's a lot. holders. I have my pot holders for the van. Okay. We have a collection of stuff to put away in here, so let's get that going. I have to prop up I have to move my sink. It's in the way. Move that out of the way so I can open this up. Yeah, and we'll pop it open with, what should we prop it open with? Appropriate, the whisk to prop open the kitchen. So we have to get into that bag because there's some trays in the bottom. So let's go through and see what we've got. We have, and this is also crossover with food bank because these are things I picked up at my various food banks. So I got this fruit and nut snack mix. These are my pot holders, which I'll hang up. Got these at the food bank. Got these at the food bank. Got that at the food bank. This is left over from my grandson's games. Snacks. More applesauce. We have plenty of applesauce. And I have snack bars. So we have nutritional yeast. And here's the trays. So we have some beans, barbecue beans. Another pack of barbecue beans. And here's this is for teas and other drink mixes. That's some more nutritional yeast. Okay, I better put this in here. So these go in here, and then I'll organize them a little better. So I'll put this over here with the snack pile. All right. Okay, I'm trying to set the phone, the camera right there. You can see what I'm doing, sort of. So what I want to do is take all this stuff out. It's falling on the floor. I want to reorganize the baskets. Put the baskets in there. Get them in. I just noticed I have to repair something. My upper shelf is caving in. Just realized that. That is caving in. It came untaped there. So I'm gonna have to get some more tape. It's not too bad, but before it gets any worse, I'm gonna fix it. Kitchen. I just haven't, I was gonna make another one. I thought it was ruined. It's actually not. It got wet, but it dried out very quickly. Thought I had another basket. Not sure where it is. I swore I had 4 of these little gray baskets. So far I have, this is all tea and coffee. This is sauces and spices, and then there's like, these are hard candies. I guess they go in this section. Then I have this extra coffee, which I'll just put here. This is gonna go down below, so I'm gonna put this in here. There's my nutritional yeast. That goes in there. And I think, we have more stuff down here. Yeah, monk fruit sweetener. So I won't need any sweeteners. Peppermint extract. And, you know, we collect our little sauces to have those. And that is it. And then my extra lighter. Put that back there. Okay, this is empty. And okay, we're gonna put the beans in here. Put the crackers in here. We'll put the peanut butter down here. And the oatmeal's down here. Then we have to go get more stuff, but we don't have to do that today. We'll collect more supply. Work on the inventory, so I need toothpaste and wipes for the bathroom, and on the other side I'm gonna make kitchen. I need canned foods, and more snacks. I have a few more things I'm thinking of that are in there that can go with me. And more dinner. And then we want some more breakfast. Okay guys, so I made one more trip into the house. Got all the dry staples for the kitchen. Thought I'd get that out of the way. I brought the dog stuff out, then I realized I forgot to put extra cans of food in there. So I have to try, hopefully I remember. Last time I didn't remember enough. I had to go buy more dog food and that's so expensive. So we have some more things here to go in the cabinets down here. But I don't have a way to show you, so I will show you when I am done. See, right now there's not much in there. There's not much in there. So